It is time to drive back to Alexandria. Got a market or what? It's like Guyana market. Yalla. Oh my God. This has got to be the best view. Good morning from Marsa Matruh. It is time to drive back to Alexandria. I'm happy to head back though, back to Cairo, see my boyfriend, back to Alexandria. There's a bunch of good food there I still want to try. Let's not waste any time. It's a little bit windy out here. I'm gonna put all my gear on and then jump on the bike. Yalla bina. Can we go now? Yalla, yalla, yalla. Keep it moving, bro. Okay. Oh, yes. Back into the city. Oh God, these bumps, bro. Oh my God, these bumps. Did not pay attention. Okay, where do I need to go? Straight on these horrible tram tracks. I'm already complaining and I just got back here. Come on, go. Oh yeah. These roads are fucked up. Yeah. Wow, it's fucking busy over here. Got a market or what? Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. It's like Guyana market. Very busy. Today is Friday, so maybe this happens just once a week. A lot of times there's just like these Friday markets that happen. Shoes. Cute kid. He was just staring. Now I could probably try to go through the people, but I'm just kind of looking with you guys. Antiques. That's how you spell antiques. A little room to squeeze through here. More here. And maybe not the rest, because there's so many people. This I feel is definitely got to be Friday Market. Sharif Street. Eight minutes from my destination. But with this kind of traffic, we shall see. We shall see. I can't see anything past this stupid red truck. Go ahead, friend. This guy behind me, this taxi honking, pointless, you know? Look at this fucked up road. I need to see the road ahead of me. I can tell you it's not good. Come on, bro. Let me go through. Because driving on these tracks is fucked up. Are you gonna go? You don't, I will. Muévete, cabrón. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Yalla. Never know who's going first. Around here. Excited to be here and to explore Escandria. Once again, but this time more chill. I felt like I had to do so much when I first came here, trying to just film like literally everything, and it was exhausting, and I realized that I can't possibly eat everything, film everything, every ancient site. So I didn't even do any filming really. Not that is gonna be good perhaps, but I can always film later or another time. And I've filmed at the catacombs, I've filmed at the Citadel. Yeah, I'm just not the ancient sites queen. I'm more of the motorcycle, street food, market. Love that stuff. That's my preference, and that's what I enjoy filming, and I think therefore those videos become more enjoyable to watch because because it's what I enjoy, and you can feel that, you know. Some ancient sites I enjoy, and I take a lot of time to make a nice voiceover and do the research, but it's just it's a lot of work, and I enjoy these driving videos more and street food, just interacting with the people. That's my preference. Oh man, it smells good. It smells like earth and plants. Oh, can barely see my route over this very long street name. Yeah. To the Corniche. This helmet's like sliding up and down. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, my tires. So we'll just drive a little bit slow because my turn is coming up here and I'm not sure exactly where. But it's close. Okay, is it this street? No. This street. Maybe. Yeah. I do believe this is where I'm supposed to go. Yep. Aywa. Made it! Haha. Where's this hotel now? It's looking real. Wonder if I trust my motorcycle out here at night. Supposedly it is here. Oh, it's not that hotel though. Oh, we made it. Okay, we have made it to my hotel, or outside the hotel. I'm going to unpack the bike and then go and check in. And once I check in, then I will show you guys the room and let you know how much I'm paying. I'm staying somewhere different, not at Ithaca. I always stay there. I thought, let's try something new and not a dorm. So, see you inside. I decided to get a private room. It's $17 a night, but I have my own private bathroom. Yeah. Come in this way. I have 2 beds. Charger. Little sink even. That's locked, but I don't need to put anything in there anyways. The best part, of course, is the view. Hello. Oh my God. This has got to be the best view. I don't even know if I was going to be put into this room because I wasn't supposed to have a balcony. But it just said city view, no sea view. It was a room window. But as they were checking in, it seemed like they were talking about like where to put me, or maybe like, is there a room available? And I just said, like, can I have a room with a window? Because I want a room with a window. And it said it when I booked it on booking. And then he was like, balcony? I was like, of course. Yeah. So I am very, very happy with my beautiful room here at Acropole Hotel. I'll leave a link or the name on Google, something like that. Yeah, it's very difficult to find. It's on the 4th floor. I went to each floor actually after grabbing my stuff off the bike. I went to the 1st floor and I looked. I got off the elevator and was like, no, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor, top floor. I was like, here it is. So not well labeled, but someone on the street, I just said Acropole, Fondo Acropole. So this trip has been so amazing. It's not over. I'm still hanging out in Alexandria for a few days. I'm gonna get food. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna relax. But yeah, super, super happy with the way this trip has been going. I'm happy to be back in Alexandria. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for coming along for the ride, checking out my place with me. And yeah, I will catch you on the next one. Have a great day. Ma salam.